Good morning and welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels, and it is day 2 here on the Isle of Wight. So today's plan is I'm going to finish getting ready and then go and head for some breakfast in the complex because it looked absolutely lush, and I've been looking at these pancakes and I'm starting to feel a little bit hungry. So after breakfast, we're then going to head to the west of the island because we're going to go to West Wight Alpacas and Llama walking experience day, and it honestly looks amazing from what I've seen on their website and their pictures and stuff. I'm really looking forward to it because I've not done that before. So yeah, and then after that I think go a little bit further west and go to the Three Needles, and I'm not too sure after that, but obviously I'm going to be bringing you along with me. So I'm going to finish getting ready, go meet Leah and Martin, and then head for some breakfast. So we've just pulled up at the coast of Yarmouth, which is just behind me, and we're going to have a little walk down here, a little sit by the water, have a watch some boats, and then move further down into the town, I think, and possibly go towards the harbour and throw my drone up here, I think, because it's nice and quiet, there's no wind, and I think it's going to be really pretty. So yeah, I shall catch you when I get down to the bottom.
I know this is the right way. You move me in the right way, and I'll be running to you. Hey you, I think we're in the right place. Keep thinking of the things you said. Now my wishes turned out to be true.
And we're done in Yarmouth now, so we're heading back to the car because the ticket is running out, and we're going to take a slow drive over to the llama walking park and go and walk some llamas. So I'll catch you soon. So we've now arrived at West Wight Alpaca walking farm, and we're about to go and get the alpacas. These are the females, the llamas, sorry, we're walking llamas today. We've got some females there and we're going to go get the males. It's an absolutely stunning day. They've said that I could do some drone footage. I can't wait, so let's go over and walk some alpacas.
I've got your hand in mine, and I won't let you go this time. And I just wanna keep this night forever alive.
It was an absolutely amazing experience. I'm so glad that, you know, they invited me over to do it. Absolutely brilliant, stunning drone footage, stunning grounds. Like, there's so much. I thought it was just going to be a little walk, but we're literally like all the way up there, all the way back round. Absolutely beautiful. And the alpaca, the alpaca, oh my god, I keep saying alpacas. The llamas were absolutely gorgeous, especially the brown one. Absolutely stunning. So I'd like to say a massive thank you to Bethan as well. She was so knowledgeable and really engaging, a lovely woman to speak to. So now we're going to move on to the next place, so I shall catch you soon. We've now made it to the Three Needles, so I think we're going to go and have a look in some of the shops and have a little walk around and then have a see about getting the chair down to the beach. So let's go and explore this place. just finished at Three Needles, done the sand filling and spent a little bit more money than I was planning to, but it's absolutely stunning here and the sun's been gorgeous. So we're now going to move on to Freshwater Bay and have a chill there, and then head back to the campsite to chill for the evening. And we've now arrived at Freshwater Bay, so we're going to go and take a chill, have a sit down, soak up some of the sun, have a see if there's any little shops and stuff around. Might set off the drone. I've got a very, very minimal battery left, but we'll have a see. Yeah, we'll pay for parking and we will be there shortly.
Lights shining from the window late at night. I'm just watching someone else's life go by, wishing it was mine. Dreams, everybody has them at the start. Somewhere along the way they fall apart, and it makes it kind of hard to look up at the lights.
And we're now going to head for some petrol and food from Morrison's, and then have a chill evening with a couple of drinks. So I'm going to end the video here, and I do hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post. So keep exploring the world one footprint at a time, and until next week, adios.